By the way, here's a PSA to all the companies out there, all of you. It's 2025. You're all successful companies. Gigabyte, Lian Li, well, you guys, these guys don't, you know. All your motherboard companies, all you guys. How about you all get together, MSI, all of you. Why don't you guys get together, get in a room, have a nice little lunch, little brunch, and come up with one. So I'm serious. One RGB software. Call up Open RGB, get Signal involved. One software. Everyone I talk to is like, ugh, what motherboard you get? Oh, I'm using Afterburner. Oh, I'm using GCC. Everybody's got something to say. Not all of it's good. I want to make it easier for especially younger people who don't have time to sit there and they just want to play games and have the computer look cool. I'm telling you, you guys need to get together and really come up with a better way, or honestly, just the fact that, and I've talked to some of the companies, ASROCK included in the conversation, where it's like, hey man, this doesn't go with, well, if this graphics card's the motherboard's not gonna recognize, it's like, you guys need to talk. I know you're competing against each other, but that's where you don't have to compete, I don't think. At this stage of the game, and with the speed you can create it and integrate it, I'm sure it's not that hard. I'm sure. With AI today and all this stuff. Anyway, I'm rambling, I'm sorry. But that, to me, that's a sore spot. So like right now on my rig in my bedroom, I have a remote for all my RGB, and then I have, I use GCC for the RAM because I have a Gigabyte GPU. Sneaks and Geeks USA. See you soon. I don't know why I did that. See you soon, thanks.